What's going on, guys? It's Filipino Thriller. In this video is going to show you the unboxing of the new Nokia C3. It's a Nokia certified company. I just shifted my phone to Nokia from Samsung SGH E590 to Nokia C3. So let's take a look. Alright, this is the Nokia C3. This is the white gold Nokia there. Nokia C3. It has the 2.4 inches widescreen with WLAN, messaging, SMS, and other specifications. So we have 3 colors: the pink, gray, and the this white gold. So let's take look at the knife, and I'm gonna put a little bit cover there. Alright, it's cool. So let's take over it. Oh guys, wow, that's a big safety. So let's take this off for a while. So let's put this for a while. Okay. So first we have our Nokia charger. So I'm going to take off the plastic. Really plastic. Whoa. Yeah. Oh come on, shut up. We have our Nokia charger. And the earbuds. Pretty cool. And of course, access Facebook and Twitter and blah blah blah, chat IM. Got a battery, Nokia battery, plastic, and of course we have a Nokia C3. Says there C3 case. It's a case for cell phone. So now you can see Nokia here. It's in Bangla. In terms of use, first use of your device, the instruction manual. But here Nokia, it says it's more than just a phone. You can access OPI, Facebook, Twitter, chat, instant messenger, and OBI store. Oh come on. And then we got our Nokia manuals. It's in Bangla and in English. So let's go and take to the phone. Yeah, let's go down from here. Yes, that's my phone. So this is the Nokia C3. It's real cool. It has 2 megapixel, 2.4 camera on it. It's really cool. So let's take this off. Okay. I think there's a push button. Okay. So I'm going to put Warid SIM card, but it's now Airtel, not Warid. This is the need to put inside my phone. I think Chancelim is not texting me. Alright, so you need to put a memory card in it. Yeah. Okay, this memory card. Yeah, right there. You can see there's the memory card. And then there's the button. We have our battery in here. The battery. Cool. Okay, let's turn this on. It's booting. There's Nokia. We have to say our time and date, maybe later. Okay, wow, there you go. Wait a minute. Is there any? Oh yeah. Yeah, guys. Just now. Yeah, there are home screen. There Wi-Fi, messaging. Cool, guys. I didn't have any messaging yet. Photos, OBI, apps, games, communities, settings, internet, calendar, contacts, music, email, and of course wallet. So guys, this is a full phone. In the upper corner you will see it should be 3.5 millimeters to 50. Yeah, maybe headphone jack. And that's it. You will also have your charger plug in. That's it. And then guys, of course, it just gave me the real leather, the Kia C3. Really fits it. It's cool, guys. Yeah, I hope guys you have enjoyed my unboxing of my Nokia C3. So guys, if you have enjoyed my unboxing, just rate this video, and hi guys, you can subscribe if you want, and if you want to subscribe in this channel, please. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, alright guys, have a nice day. Goodbye.